This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and I'm sorry for the darkness in here, but my lights have, they're those long tube lights or whatever, and I've got one over on the other side over there, and it's just got one tube in it that's lit, and then right over the table, right above me, I just got two new tubes, and they're both lit, but they're not lit up like they're supposed to be. So I'm really kind of upset today. But anyway, I can't get them to come on and brighten up the way that they're supposed to. So I'm going to have to call the people that own the house and get them to come and fix it. But today I'm excited about what I'm getting ready to make for y'all. I'm going to make mashed potatoes in my Instant Pot. And I've got, let's see, I've got about 5 or 6, or maybe even 7 pounds of potatoes that I've cubed up, peeled and cubed up. These are Idaho potatoes. I'm going to, put them in my Instant Pot. Like I said, you should be able to see this. Whoa, one fell. Alright. And this is, I'm excited about this because supposedly you're just supposed to be able to put your stuff, your potatoes in here with the liquid, and then when it comes down to, from the pressure or whatever of cooking it, all you have to do is mash your potatoes. You don't have to put anything else in there, whatever. So I'm excited about it because you used to have, you have to drain your potatoes and all this. This, you don't have to drain your potatoes. So we're going to try this. All right, I'm putting in 1 stick of sweet cream butter. You don't have to put that much, but with all these potatoes and as many people's eating them, I'm going to go on and put a whole stick in there and just do it just like that. And this is just a whole stick, and it's butter, not margarine. And I've got 2 cups. This consists of 1 1/4 cups of chicken broth and 3/4 cup of milk, 2% milk. So I'm pouring that in here. All right, and I'm going to put a tablespoon of salt. And let me tell you why that I'm putting that much in here, because you only get one chance to salt your potatoes. That is when they are cooking. If you don't put salt in your potatoes when you cook them and have them salty enough, you'll never get them salty enough. So I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of kosher salt on top of these, and about a 1/2 tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper. Right there, about a 1/2 tablespoon of that. Alright. Let me make sure. Now I'm going to put my lid on. First I'm going to make sure that it is on, let's see if you can see that, sealing, and it is. See, right there, the sealing. That's the sealing, so I'm going to put that, and then I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to lock it, and I'm going to go to manual. Mine is the Instant Pot IP Lux. This is the 8 quart, and I've got to go down. I'm going to do this on 10 minutes. Alright, and there it is. I'm just going to let this come up to pressure, cook for 10 minutes, and then whenever I get everything ready and can mash these potatoes, I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, the potatoes are right here, so I'm going to beat them up. This is one reason why I really like having the Instant Pot, because you can't do this in a regular pressure cooker because it's got that non-stick coating on it. You can't use your mixer. are going to be so good. I'm going to put a little bit more. They're kind of drier than I want, so I'm going to have to go get some milk and put some milk in them. Alright, I'll bring you right back. I need to go get some milk. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I was thinking that I cooked these in 2% milk, but it's whole milk. So, it was like 3/4 of a cup of whole milk. Alright, so I put about 1/4 of a cup in this. Alright, now let me taste these and see what they taste like. Well, my light's trying to come on. Oh, wow. Alright, I haven't done this before. These are amazing. Oh, wow, I don't need that 1 tablespoon of salt is more than enough. These are awesome, y'all. Wow. Alright. I'm going to save this till everybody gets here. But I wanted to taste it for y'all and let you know these are really, really good. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If you have an Instant Pot, fix your potatoes in there just like this. It is amazing. They are really, really good. So, you have a good day. Look below for links to my Facebook, to my Twitter. And also there'll be links below to where if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can purchase one from Amazon. Same price I paid for it. And I will talk to you later. You have a good day. Bye.